Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Before we dive into this exercise, let's go ahead and review it. The chord we're playing is a D major chord, so the notes that line up with the chord are in the D major scale. But this chord shape is actually based on the open A shape. So, you can imagine and you can hear that this is a very movable shape. So while the notes that we're playing line up with the D major scale, if you move it down here, well, now you've got something ready in the key of C major. So, it's a simple exercise just to reinforce the shapes. Okay, if I'm playing in the key of D, I've got some lead notes at my disposal, and of course you can arrange them how you'd like based on the song and the style that you're playing in. But that's really the brunt of the exercise, is we're just reinforcing a few shapes that are really accessible. They are really valuable, they're pretty simple, and they can really, up your game, so to speak. As always, we encourage you to go through these exercises at the pace that feels most comfortable, because in most scenarios, that's going to be the pace and tempo that provides you with the most benefit. For some of you, that might mean slowing things down a bit, but for others, that might mean getting creative and trying to throw in your own flavors. So instead of going through the scale as we showed in the exercise, well, maybe you just take the notes and create your own little approach to the scale, something like still using the home bass D major, and just changing things up a bit, and then maybe you go one step further and you just, improv after each D major kind of home bass. You hit the D major, you do a little run. You go back to the D major, do another little run. So it's really up to you to get the most out of the exercise based on your honest opinion of where you're at. So anyway, sit with that, make sure you're absorbing that concept. And once you've had a chance to run through this for about 5 to 10 minutes, as your warm-up, move on to all your favorite songs and solos, all the things you want to learn outside of just a warm-up. And then we'll see you next time.